Nasaan ka man ngayon to, stay on that, kailangan sila lang yung sarili mo. That's the reason why meron project yourself. Bakit ano yung project yourself? Dito nyo malalaman kung kailangan nyo lang i-project yung sarili nyo. Bakit? Meron tayong pisikalan. Tama? Not about who is right and who is wrong. Tama din. Ang tanong who's right ang maapektuhan. Hindi ko, it's not about who is right and who is wrong. It's about who's right. In all areas of life, sa mga kasama, sometimes you're winning, sometimes you're learning. Yes or yes? Sa relasyon, sometimes you're winning, sometimes you're learning. Yes or yes? There's no such thing as losing. Yes?
Pwede ba itong personal journey? Along the way, sa dadaanan yung labing-dalawang step, labing-dalawang galaw, may tama, may mali. Yes? Pero pinaka-importante, alam mo sa akin, yung tama sa akin, nagkakamali.
Lipad, lipad, lipad. Let's go, Blue Team! Let's go! For the green! Go, go, green!
Isa sa pinakamagandang activity siguro ng NCR na na-attenan ko ay itong activity namin ngayon. Siguro pagsisisihan ko ng sobra-sobra kung hindi ako nakasama. Isa sa magandang pangyayari dito ay ma-realize at ma-analyze namin kung paano yung pagsasamahan ng mga magkakasama sa trabaho at saka yung definition ng unity when it comes to work.
Dito sa activity, I've learned a lot, so many things, no? Yung umaga pa lang up to the end, ang dami-dami namin natutunan. Not just for myself, but for our team. Sa ibang team din, ang dami din po namin natutunan.
At first, I thought that this team building will only heal on the physical aspect of a person. team building is so organized, so well guided. It helped us a lot to know each other and to work as a team, collaborate with them. I enjoy the games at saka yung prepare ninyo sa amin na mga activities for team building.
The lessons that I have learned personally was that we may make mistakes, but we learn from those mistakes.
I am very grateful to be a part of an engagement like what we had this morning po. Maraming salamat po sa team ni Coach Trece for giving us an unforgettable experience. Yung pag-facilitate nila ng team building ay kakaiba, mas malalim siya, iba yung atake. Talagang nag-iwan siya ng mga aral, mga lessons na talagang mababaon namin. Kaya naman, I would want to invite everyone to get them. And thank you so much for being a part of our program. Thank you so much.
First and foremost, I would like to congratulate Prime DepEd NCR for having this engagement with Coach Trece. The experience was really good, and I really like the processing, how he emphasized the unity and the collaboration of each and everyone. It's important for any organization, particularly DepEd Prime NCR, that each and everyone helps one another to achieve a common goal. That's it. Thank you again, Coach Trece, and looking forward for future engagement with your team. Kudos!
Maganda naging karanasan sa team building na ito at bawat isa sa amin ay nagkaroon ng maayos na takeaway. Ako personally, sa kakatapos na activity, naisip ko na magbigay ng premyo sa mga tao, sa mga empleyado na kasama ngayon. Pero bandang huli, pagkatapos ng isang activity napaka-significant sa isang organisasyon at sa isang personal na journey, nakita ko na hindi dapat manipulahin sa pagbibigay ng insentibo. Dapat makilala kung bakit ginagawa ito. Sa halip, naisip kong ibigay sa aking mga kasamahan sa DepEd NCR ay inspirasyon kung paano mapapabuti ang sarili at ang ating organisasyon. This is a takeaway that I would like to share with the rest of the people in the DepEd NCR and to all of those who might be able to have the chance seeing this experience that I am sharing right now. Thank you very much.